So I want to show you how simple it is to create a simple password generator in Python. So I have this file open. It's called password.py. There's nothing inside. There's just this comment that says simple password generator. There's nothing in the terminal. So let's do the first thing. Import. We need to import the random package. Import random. Okay. Then let's define our characters. These are the characters that will be used to create our password. So we can say characters is equals to, I have this list that I had copied somewhere. So let's create a for loop that will iterate through this list and use random to pick characters and form our random password. Okay, so we can say for underscore in range. So this range will define the length of our password. So we can say range of maybe 6. It can be 6 characters long, the password. So we can say password is equals to empty string dot join. You don't really need to do this, but it's a good practice. Dot join. Then you say random dot choice. Now random dot choice. Then you pass in our characters. Characters, cars, like that, and that's it. So the next thing you do is just print it. So you can say print password. Password, yes. Then come to the terminal, run Python password.py. Nice. So we have our random characters, but it's not listed correctly. So if you run this again, it will come up with a new list. Okay, so it's a new random password. So that's it actually. So let's just fix the way it's printed. We can say we can add and with an empty string like that. Run it again. Yes, and now that's better. But again, it's not printing it on its own. So let's fix that. We can come and say outside the loop, we can print a new line like that. So run it again. Yeah, so we have our password. So you can run it again to generate different passwords. So there are 6. Then you can change the length to be, let's say, 12. Right? So if you want like the password to be 12 characters long, that's how you do it. So you can optimize this code further in one line. You can actually do this using just one line in Python. It's very cool. So let's delete this and we can say we have our random package imported. We have our characters. Now let's generate the password. You can say the password is equals to, then you can say empty string again dot join, right? Then you say random dot choice, then you pass in our characters. Then inside the join function, you can write the for loop. So you can say for underscore in range of 6 maybe, and that's it. So let's run it again. Oh, we did not print anything, so come and print password word. Okay, yeah, that looks better. So you see, this is just one line. So we've used like 4 lines, and that's how you generate your password, random password in Python.